and welcome to this week's episode of Soul Fitness TV. My name is Whitney and this is my amazing husband, Jose.
Aquí estamos, mi gente, que lo que.
So in this week's episode, we're going to be talking about a really important part of health and wellness, which is mental strength.
Esta semana vamos a hablar de fuerza mental.
So a key component of this is understanding that your thoughts create your reality. So we're going to go through each of the 3 steps in achieving anything that you want.
Tenemos 3 ideas para que usted consiga su meta.
So the number 1 step is to write down the specific goal or outcome that you desire.
El número 1 es que escriba su meta.
Number 2 is to write down the specific actions that you'll have to take to achieve this goal.
El número 2 es que escriba su acción.
And then finally, number 3 is to write down the specific thoughts that would help motivate you to act and achieve this goal.
El número 3 es que escriba su pensamiento que te puede dar la motivación para tu echar para adelante.
So in order to actually put this into perspective, we're going to pick one goal that we hear people say a lot that they want to achieve and then take you through step by step how to make it happen.
Okay, ¿cuál es?
So a lot of times we hear people say, I really want to eat better.
Muchas personas dicen, quiero comer mejor.
So, Jose, is eat better a very specific goal?
No.
No, that's one of the key components of successful goal setting is to make sure that the goal that you pick is very specific. So, for example, you could say, I want to eat vegetables 5 nights a week.
Si usted dice, quiero comer vegetales por 5 días a la semana.
So, if this is your specific goal, then step 2 would be to write down what actions you'd have to take so that you can make and achieve this goal. So some examples of that would be to go grocery shopping.
Si esta no es su meta, tiene que escribir su meta, como voy a ir para la tienda a comprar vegetales.
So you can't cook anything that you don't have in the house. So go grocery shopping. Research some recipes for how to make the vegetables taste really good to you. Plan ahead and write down your meals for the week. That way you've set yourself up with a success plan to achieve your goal.
Usted siempre tiene que estar preparado. No es lo mismo que ella dice, pero usted siempre tiene que estar preparado, siempre mentalmente, porque usted tiene mucha fuerza aquí. Y usted, si no piensa claro, se va a perder.
And then finally, you have to make sure that if your goal is to eat better, that you are constantly supporting your actions every single day with thoughts that have your outcome in mind. For example, as you're eating, instead of saying, ugh, I hate these vegetables, I wish I wasn't eating these, I'm punishing myself by eating these, those are all very negative thoughts. And instead, as you're eating, say, I'm choosing these vegetables because I know it's good for my health. Or I love myself and I value my health, so I'm choosing to eat nutritious food. All of these are thoughts that support positive actions, which will ultimately lead to you achieving your goal.
O muchas personas siempre dicen, oh, quiero comer mejor. Hazlo. No diga que quiero, no, hazlo. Que quiero hacer ejercicio, hazlo. Que quiero irme a caminar por ahí con mi perro. Vete por ahí con tu perro. No le pare a eso y vete. Solamente hazlo. Toma la decisión and do it.
And so another really important thing to understand about this whole idea of achieving anything is that you are the only person thinking in your head. It's very accepted in our culture to say, oh, Jose hurt my feelings. Jose made me feel this way. Jose can't make me feel any way because he's not thinking in my head. I'm the only person thinking in my head. So he might do something that I might react to and create an emotion about, but he cannot actually create an emotion in my head. I'm the only one choosing how I feel at any moment.
Right. Usted mismo tiene su propio pensamiento para echar para adelante o para hacerse el daño usted mismo. Controle su pensamiento para que pueda echar para adelante.
So we really hope that these 3 steps help you to achieving any goal or desire that you have in your life. And if you would like to hear more or read more about this topic, there's some great books out there, As a Man Thinketh, the book Mindset, or The Inner Tradition of Yoga. All 3 of these, among many others, will all help you dive deeper into this topic if you want to have complete control of your mind. And if you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friend. If you try these 3 steps and you find that you've achieved your goal, please leave us a comment below and let us know how it worked out for you.
Deje su comentario por favor y danos otras ideas para seguir haciendo más video.
Again, thank you so much for watching. We love sharing these ideas with you, and we hope that they're impacting your life in a positive way. As we like to say, be strong inside and out.
Fuerte por dentro y por fuera.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.
Gracias. Que Dios lo bendiga.